Hey everyone, it's 𝐒𝐻𝐲 here, team leader of the 𝐒𝐻𝐲 Real Estate team. I hope this video finds you doing well. I actively sell real estate across the Durham region and GTA as a full-time sales representative. And as always, I have a new market update for you. I have recent and fresh stats that I would love to share with you guys. Now, roughly 4 weeks ago, we had our biggest interest rate hike ever. Bank of Canada announced an interest rate hike of 1% roughly 1 month ago. And the stats are with me. And what the stats are indicating is that the market hasn't even flinched after the 1% interest rate hike. Does this mean that there is no more market crash coming anytime soon for that matter? Well, stay tuned for the stats. All right, guys, so allow me to share my screen and then we together can go through the notary mentions. So we had our interest rate hike on July 13th. The first week of July, so 2 weeks prior to the interest rate hike, we had 1,038 residential transactions. 2 weeks later, we had our interest rate hike. The first week of August, precisely 2 weeks later, we saw 1,060 residential transactions. So we actually sold more homes after the interest rate hike compared to before the interest rate hike. In terms of number of units sold, the 1% interest rate hike has had zero effect on our real estate market. Now, we believe that the real estate market had already corrected the previous months as we also saw interest rate hikes during those months. And because of that, as such, this interest rate hike was just absorbed and it did not really have the effect it was supposed to or anticipated to have in terms of quote unquote market crash. Now, for my Durham region folks, I have an amazing stat for you. Let's go back to our board. So over the past 30 days, across the Durham region, we have seen 600 and 4,900 residential transactions. Out of those 649 residential transactions, 273 homes sold at or above asking price, many of which were in multiple offers. This is roughly 40% homes that sold in multiple offers at or above asking price. Now, I've been saying this since day one that we haven't necessarily had a buyer's market. We've had a seller's market. It just hasn't been as crazy of a seller's market. Rather than 100% of the homes getting multiple offers and selling above asking price, only 3 to 4 homes out of 10 would get multiple offers and sell above asking price. And that same stat remains. Now, here's what's more interesting. These 649 residential transactions, the average days on market was 15 days, which used to be closer to 30 days 2 months ago. So not only did we sell more homes in multiple offers at or above asking price, they actually also sold quicker, and they only took 2 weeks time to be on the market for the average home. Now, 60 days ago, we had 16,500 active listings for sale across the GTA and Durham region. As of today, you have just above 15,000 active listings for sale. This is very normal during this time of the year. There's lesser homes for sale and more homes being sold. Now, folks, we are right around the corner from our fall market. Summer is coming to an end. Summer vacations are coming to an end, and kids are going back to school, which usually means more homes for sale on the market. In addition to that, we've had so many families that have been waiting for the prices to come down so then they can purchase a home. A lot of those individuals are beginning to come back on the market, but more of those folks will come back to the market as well. So I think it's safe to say, at least my prediction is that for the next 2 to 3 months, we're going to have a very active and very busy residential real estate market. Folks, as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some value in this market update. The funny thing is, on July 13th, they increased the interest rate. And on July 14th, in my inbox, I got an article that said the market has crashed. A day later, not even a full 24 hours later, actually, they started to announce the market had crashed. My problem with that article is that there was no data at that time to prove that the market had crashed. The market could have crashed. That would have been the better terminology, but that's not how the article was written, right? And my aim with these market updates is to give you the real data, so then you can decide whether or not right now is the best time to buy, sell, or lease real estate. If you have any questions, or if you would like to schedule a one-on-one home buyer consultation completely complimentary to you, you can reach out to me directly. My email address is in the description below, and I will personally get back to you within, let's say, 2 to 3 hours, max 12 hours. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Signing off, 𝐿𝐼𝐲 𝐇𝐈.